Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Sunnyside Acura in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2025 Acura ADX. Brand new entry-level SUV for Acura, based on the Honda HR-V platform, but featuring a 1.5 liter turbo VTEC engine. This thing is really, really good. Check out that interior. Oh, loaded with features, heated seats, heated wheel. Of course it's running, so it's not going to let me do it. Ventilated seats. Man, tons of space back here. Ooh, it's a good amount of cubbies back there as well. Do like that. Oh, what a cool little car. The best part is, you know, being Acura's smallest SUV, doesn't feel cramped, claustrophobic at all. I love that interior. The blue suede accents, oh, unbelievably cool. There's your 1.5 turbo. Actually a good amount of room in here, which leads me to think there might be a high performance version coming, which would be kind of cool. Bang & Olufsen sound. 45,950 as tested, 190 horsepower, 1.5 VTEC turbo. Made it to a CVT, Urban Gray Pearl over Orchid. Just check out that interior. Ooh. This is just so cool. Pano roof. Oh, you got all kinds of cameras. That's pretty cool. Paddle shifters behind the wheel, of course. We are in sport mode. All your drive modes are here. Sport mode's gonna add some pumped in engine audio. So if I was in normal, the engine wouldn't sound as loud as it really is, but sport mode's more fun to drive this thing. Suspension's really, really compliant. I like it a lot. On the highway, man, this thing is so comfortable, and I just can't help but think what the lease programs are going to be like on this, because if they're anything like the Integra, they're going to be really aggressive and a really good bang for your buck. visibility is absolutely awesome. I was shocked how much I could see out of this car. You know, and I've driven the HR-V. I'm not a big fan of it. So I was really kind of worried. I'm not. This is fantastic. That's what I love. Well, check this out. Temperature goes warm, these turn red. Cold goes blue. Tons of little features like that that I just find so cool. Yeah, I think this is gonna sell in numbers. Pretty impressive numbers. And I won't be surprised if this becomes Acura's bestseller. I mean, the small SUV market is just booming and booming. And for the money, you get so much in this car. Yeah, I can't see how this can't be a success. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.